Parker is about to eat for the first time. She's going to have some sweet potatoes. Today is March 7th, and Parker's almost 6 months old. All right, Parker, are you ready? Look, Parker. Parker. Parker.
Parker.
Parker.
Oh, she's definitely ready.
What do you think? Do you like sweet potatoes?
Is that yummy?
You want some
Yeah.
more? More sweet potatoes? Yeah. Let's see.
No.
More? Mm. You're not sure about the spoon, huh?
She never ate with a spoon
Parker.
before, right?
No, she's never had a spoon in her mouth. Is it good, Parker? Parker pie. Hello. Do you want some more?